Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn how to change fabric and fabric colors, and also how to apply the different material in the garment. So let's start. I have a top, bottom with sleeve, and now we apply the fabric in the garment. For example, we'll select the fabric one. In this fabric we have a front and back of the basic bodies. In second fabric we click on the second fabric, we have both the sleeve in this fabric. In third fabric we don't have anything, this is the sleeve, this is also the sleeve. We just delete this one. This have nothing, we'll just delete this one. In this fabric we have a sleeve, and in this fabric we have a skirt. So we'll just write on all this layer or fabric one. We have a top. In second fabric we have sleeve. We'll just write the sleeve. Will change, so change the name of the fabric so we can able to identify easily. And we have a third one. This is the skirt. So now we have a three kind of fabric. Three fabric is there. One fabric for the top, second fabric for the sleeve, and third fabric for the skirt. Now I wanted to change the color of the fabric. So just select this fabric top. This is also called as different kind of layers, like different software like Photoshop and Illustrator. We have a different layers like that. Here is the fabric options. We can also add the fabric. Now we'll select the top one and go to the property editor, and there is this option is for the colors. We can change the color from here. We can select the color from these options. We can change any kind of colors from here, like we'll just choose these colors and apply and close, and we can apply the color here. Same ways we can apply the color in all this panel. Again we have some color in the sleeve. You just select this, and this time we'll select the different colors so that we can identify what is the sleeve. Apply and close. So we can move this avatar, and we can see front and back both have a color. Sleeve have a different color, and this top have a different color. And we can add the color in this also. Like we can add some blue color here, apply and close, and this is the blue color skirt is there. Now we need to add some kind of fabric here. So for adding the fabric we need to have a white color so that the fabric color is visible, accurately visible here. Now we'll convert everything into the 100% white. 100% white have 6F is here. When we put 100% white, this 6F is here. We can copy this, all this code, apply and close. It's easier. We can go to the another color, and we'll just apply the code here. Paste the code. 6 times F is there, and it's 100% white. Again we have the next color of a skirt. Will change into the white color. Just put it here, Control V, apply and close. Now we'll apply the fabric here. We'll just go to the CLO library on the top, and we have the fabric option here. We can see here we have lot of fabric attached in the CLO. We can apply any kind of fabric here. Before apply the fabric, we can see one more options in the property editor, that is called opacity. Here we can see the opacity option is here. We can reduce the opacity. This way we can make the fabric as a transparent fabric. We can also may sometimes utilize these options to make no fabric here, like this. And if we required fabric, we'll just add opacity here. Through these opacity options, we can apply this for the transparency. Now we'll see we have a different type of material available in the globe when we select the top option. And inside this property editors, there is option called type. Here is the option called type. Here we can see my mouse. Here we have a silk satin option is there. Just click here and our 3D model, we can see silk satin is applied on the fabric and it's look like a silk or satin fabric. This time we'll select the sleeve and we can apply different kind of fabric here, like we'll apply the velvet this time. So we can see velvet effect is there, like the shiny or everything. It's look like velvet fabric is there. Then again we select the skirt. Well, it will take the lighter color here, like blue, light blue, or we can take another color. Whatever color you set for you, you can take the color. We'll take some color here, like this, apply, and we'll change the material from here. We can change into the metal. Then it's look like a metal options. We have more number of options here, like we have a leather option, so it's look like a leather. We have another options like gem and stones, glitter effect we can apply. We have another options of using the gem and stones, so shining is there. We can apply gem and stones options for the putting the jewelry and a stone somewhere and put some kind of necklace and apply these options here. Now we are going to apply the fabric here. Before apply the fabric, I wanted every color is changed into the white. So I just change all the colors into white so that the fabric is applied 100% and we can able to see the exact fabric colors. So just selected the 100% white here, and the code of white is XXX. Just select Ctrl C, apply and close. It's easier for changing the coloring for the next fabric. Just click here and just put it the same code 6 times if is there, and it's going to be white. So it's not white, or it's white. We are selecting 100% white, apply and close. Then the skirt, then select 100% white and apply and close. It's not white, 100% white. Ctrl V, apply and close. Before applying the fabric, we also change the materials. Everything will change the fabric mat. Here also will change the fabric mat so that we can able to see 100% fabric type. We can fabric mat. We'll just select the fabric mat. Now it's 100% white. Now we apply the fabric. Go to the library on the top here. Flow library is there. Inside the library, go to the fabric options. We have the different kind of fabric is already available here. We apply the different kind of fabric here. So we'll just apply any fabric. Whatever fabric you can choose, we'll just apply this fabric. For apply this fabric, you can double click and the fabric is added here. Better you just drag it and drop it on the top layer, or the fabric it's going to convert into this layer. We can apply the fabric. Another way to apply the fabric, just double click and fabric is added here, right? And close this option here. Okay, close this option. This is the another way to apply the fabric on the top. because our top is here, we can select the top is here, but in this fabric there is no pattern is added here. So how to add the pattern here? Just click on the pattern, just select this layer and just drag it and drop it. Just select the layer, click here and drag and drop so that its fabric is applied on the top. Again we'll just click here, drag and drop, and the fabric is applied on the top. Next fabric, we'll just select on the fabric option. For the sleeve we'll take another fabric here, and I wanted to apply this fabric. Just close this option, and just select this fabric, drag and drop on the sleeve, and your sleeve have this fabric. This is the one way of add the fabric in the pattern. Then we have another type, another way to add the fabric in the skirt. We'll just select the fabric from here. We'll just take any check fabric, select some of the I choose some of the check fabric here. This fabric I wanted to apply on the skirt. So we can drag this fabric and put it on the skirt fabric. Just a skirt have all this fabric is applied here. So two way to apply the fabric. We can just choose the fabric and drop it, or so now the pattern is shifted to the another layer. This fabric have a top, this fabric have a sleeve, and this fabric have a skirt. So when we drop the fabric, your name of the fabric is going to be changed. And now we can apply some different kind of fabric on the top, bottoms, and here, and we can change and see what happening here. Just go to fabric option. This time we'll select the woven organza for the top. We'll just apply here, just drag and drop, and it's going to be applied. See-through fabric is there. We can add some different fabric for the top. We can choose fabric from here. We can choose this fabric for sleeve, and sleeve fabric is there. We can also apply the opacity and see what happening in the skirt. Just select the fabric here, and we'll put the opacity is need to be decreases. It's also create the see-through effect inside the fabric. Some of the print or fabric, we take the JPEG and PNG image from internet, and we wanted to apply on this garment. So just go to the fabric option here, and we can have an option of add print. Just go and add some print here. This takes time, and it's applied on the top fabric. Again, if you want to add some kind of print on this sleeve, so we can just right click here, add print. We wanted some different kind of print for the sleeve, so we'll just select some of the colors from here. We can select also different kind of fabric like organza fabric, brocade fabric, and different kind of fabrics, and apply on the sleeve on somewhere. So we can apply this print here. We can also make the print in Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop and apply on the garment here. For a skirt, we can just click here, add print, and we can add some print for the skirt as well. Open and apply. This is the way where we can add different kind of fabric inside the garment, and we can also add the print inside the garment. Then thank you.